Tuloy ang pag-sparkle sa GMA ng global fashion icon na si Heart Evangelista. Muli siyang lumagda ng kontrata sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center. May chika si Nelson Canlas.
Sparkle star since 2018 at hinahangaan sa halos 3 dekada. Hindi lang sa katatagan sa kanyang career, nagpamahalas ng tapang. Pinatunayan din ni Heart Evangelista na mayroon siyang pusong matatag para harapin ang challenges sa buhay at pusong mapagbigay sa mga nangangailangan.
What keeps you going?
I think my love for what I do. Hindi pwedeng puro victory lang ang aasahan mo sa ganitong klaseng industriya. But because I'm very consistent and I believe that I've become so much stronger, I feel like naging immune na ako and I'm willing to even take, more challenges to get to where I want to be. And I have big dreams.
You have reinvented yourself over and over again.
I think kasi yung nangyari dyan, it was very organic. Every time I would go through something, I feel like I'm like a little stream of water. I will find myself through the cracks of the woods and find myself into a bigger stream. Usually when they say reinvention, it was never intentional. It was an outcome of something very drastic, maybe sad. But I always found something in me that would accept and adjust and relocate myself and still continue to go towards a dream that I've always wanted ever since.
At sa gitna ng kanyang mga pinagdaanan recently, muling nabuhay ang friendship nila ng itinuturing niyang first love, si John Prats.
Just recently, we sat down with our pictures nung bata kami. Nag-reminisce kami na parang may gusto kaming ibigay sa mga fans namin na nandiyan, na hindi nawala for 20 plus years. The biggest fan service we can ever give them. Not necessarily a closure, but a project na I feel like magiging masaya sila and it will be something na sobrang OC at hands-on namin dalawa.
Are you confirming that you're going to have a project soon?
Yes, I'm confirming na mabubuhay na ang Gummy Bears. Joe Hart.
Patuloy na magiging kapuso ang international fashion icon sa muli niyang pag-renew ng kanyang kontrata sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Kasama sa contract renewal sina GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo, Vice President for Musical, Variety, Specials, and Alternative Productions Entertainment Group, Gigi Santiago Lara, at Sparkle GMA Artist Center AVP for Talent Management, Vic Del Rosario Jr.
Mahal na mahal natin si Heart dito sa Sparkle at sa Kapuso Network. We see how much she's grown as a person and nakikita natin talaga yung hard work niya and work ethics. Talagang incomparable.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.